Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Somebody watching this video is going to win this poster of our Born Free 16 bike pool tour. Stick around. What's up, everybody? So as of the recording of this video, we are just a little over a week before we head over to Yokohama, Japan for the Moon Eyes Hot Rod Show. Super stoked about this. Man, this is a dream come true. Never would have thought in these four little walls in Tampa, Florida, that we would build a motorcycle that would go to the other side of the world and be premiered at the best hot rod custom show ever created. So super stoked about it. But I wanted to thank all of you guys first, because we do these videos to let you guys experience what happens around here at the shop, and you got to see the whole build series for Oil Tour. If you haven't, make sure you go to our playlist. We made a playlist just for the whole series of that, from the day that we picked up the frame to dropping things off for paint and chrome and fabrication, all the way through going to the event at Born Free. Just super excited to be able to have that experience and share it with all you guys. And for you guys actually wanting to watch the content, that's crazy. So let's talk about really quickly this giveaway. I have this poster. I printed up 100 limited edition prints of this poster that we're going to be taking to Yokohama, Japan for the Moon Eyes Hot Rod Show. But I thought, you know, not everybody can make it there and pick up one of these. So I said, I'm going to stash one aside and I'm going to give it away to somebody watching our YouTube channel. So it's been a great experience leading up to Japan, obviously going to California and winning best pre-unit at Born Free 16. Super stoked about that. But throughout this time, we've met a lot of cool people online. A lot of people have reached out to us about going to Japan. So we're super stoked. I had a really good friend, Aki. He is out of Oyama, Japan. And he said, I wanted to do something special for you for the event. And he drew up this drawing inspired by our Born Free 16 bike. So super stoked about that. What we did is we went ahead and printed up stickers and added those to our sticker packs that we're going to be bringing a lot of these over to Japan, but we only have a limited number of those on the website with that added sticker in there for it. So what we're going to do for the giveaway is the next 10 people that go to the website and purchase a sticker pack, you are going to get entered for the poster win. Now, odds 1 in 10. You cannot beat that. We'll draw that out on our Instagram channel to let everybody know who the winner is, and we'll do a little post on our YouTube channel also. But the next 10 people to go on to weemsmotorco.com, purchase a sticker pack, is going to get entered to win that poster. Super stoked about it. Super excited to share all of these cool things with you guys. And something to share with you guys I'm going to do right now is our good friends over at Moon Eyes Japan have released my interview when I flew out to LA a few months back and rode Oil Tour through the streets of LA and talked about the build and talked about the show. So we're going to wrap up this video right here watching the Moon Eyes interview. You guys check it out.
Third Yokohama Hot Rod Custom Show 2025.
My name is Jared Weems, and I'm a Born Free 16 invited builder, and this is my 1952 Triumph that I've titled Oil Tour. The inspiration for the motorcycle was looking at a lot of the old magazines of hot rods and motorcycle show bikes from the 1960s I was very much inspired by the painter Frank Frazetta, and he had this painting that was called the Civil Warrior, which was a barbarian riding a snow sled over the top of an ice-capped mountain being pulled by 3 polar bears. And it really inspired me to go with this paint scheme that essentially brings out the feelings of snow, ice, and cold. My good friend Fish Alcorn out of Jacksonville, Florida, did the paint work for me, and I gave him free reign to do whatever he wanted, and just really blew me away with his paint work. Many people it takes to build a motorcycle. One person can't do it by themselves. The upholstery, and that is white lambskin leather. The chrome shop that I use is S&H out of Nashville, Tennessee. But many people played a part in this build. I think AJ Richter out of Illinois or out of Iowa, he did my engine work, did a lot of the internals and stuff. And tons of friends that just helped me find old, rare, cool parts to put together and make this vision come my own. Really, essentially, the main concept of the bike and design was something that I had in my head. I built the whole front end from scratch using a set of Ducati triple trees. The gas tank, made that out of a Lowbrow Customs peanut tank that I narrowed. And yeah, a lot of cool touches, exhaust, oil tank, a lot of rare things on the bike. And I'm excited to be taking it to Japan in December for the 33rd annual Moon Eyes Hot Rod Custom Show. It's definitely a humbling experience to be chose to do that. So I'm thankful for this opportunity to go to Japan, experience the environment. I know that Japan has a really strong Triumph motorcycle scene, so I'm excited to go over and see all the cool motorcycles that are going to be at the show, and just to be a part of it, to ride this thing into the show is a dream come true. So I thank you to all the guys that played a part helping it happen, to Mike and Grant at Born Free, and everybody here at Moon Eyes for inviting us to come to Japan. I'm excited. It is the 33rd Yokohama Hot Rod Custom Show. Come on and join the fun.